What is a market order? A market order is an order to quickly buy or sell an asset at the best price available at a particular moment. A market order is executed instantly at the current market price based on orders that were previously placed in the order book. For example, you want to buy 2 CCXX coins. In this case, your buy order will correspond to the cheapest limit sell order and the transaction fee will be low. Another example, if you want to buy 500 CCXX coins, and the first sell order is only 100 CCXX coins, then the order will be executed automatically on the next limit sell orders, going all the way up the order book until it is closed. In this case, both prices and commissions will be higher. As a rule, money does not require rushing, so using market orders is best when you are in a hurry or need other digital assets urgently.